Welcome back, friends and family of YouTube. We are in the workroom today, and this video is going to be all about getting these kitchen cabinets ready for paint. We need to remove the doors, and we need to mark where the doors go to. So come on into the workroom. We have a very busy day, very busy video for you guys because the kitchen makeover, renovation, remodel, what have you, call it what you will, is in full swing. And I cannot be happier. Oh my goodness, I am so excited. It's going to be a lot of work. Joe and I have divvied up tasks and we put it on the calendar so we all know what we're going to do or what we're responsible for or what we're going to do when. So this week is all about prepping the cabinets and getting them ready to hang for spraying, painting, priming, and hanging them, getting them ready to spray because I'm going to spray the doors. We will be starting to do the not so exciting things, but I think it's kind of exciting because it's a transition, right? It's for real coming. So we got to remove the stuff that's in the kitchen and get it packed away, safekeeping, so we can start with the tear out process. And truth be told, guys, I love a good demo. I'm a good demo person. So we are going to be working on all this. So stand by and watch me work. Let's get into the video. Step one. This tape is going to be my friend. What I'm going to be doing is first trying to get down here. Second of all, I am going to mark with tape in the back what it is, obviously. And so I can correspond the cabinets and the doors and all that stuff with the right cabinet. I know which cabinet goes where. I don't need a schematic, but Jill might. I'm going to be putting them in. So I don't believe I need that. So we're just going to do regular old painter's tape to the back and to anything that I remove. This happens to be the sink basin. You would have already watched that video. And for this specific piece here, I'm going to keep this. I'm going to stain this. I'm going to stain the wood part, but we're going to paint actually this cabinet. So I am actually going to tape this off. He's already sanded this. I'm just going to tape it off and get it nice and secure too while I have the handy dandy tape. Might as well get that started. So buckle up, guys. So I just want to show you guys something. To hang the doors to spray, and I'll show you this again, but I got off Amazon these hangers, and I contemplated on how best to do this. So I did order a spray tent, and I will show you that when the time comes, and I'll link the stuff that I can. But my dilemma was, I want to hang these, but I don't want to put any more holes in them. So I know that there's a couple of processes that you can do, but I don't necessarily want to, you know, drill the little holes and put the little cup hooks in and then put it on a hanger. I don't want to do that. So I thought, well, what else can I do? And going through, you know, the internet, going through Amazon, a couple of products that popped my attention were these hooks. Now this is a very simplistic, there we go. This is very simplistic, and sometimes simple works great too. But I also wanted to try these hooks as well, because they fit into where it's already drilled out for the hinges. So I thought, well, why not? We'll just try these. I'll try them and I'll report back to you, see which ones work the best. But with these, you just put them in, whoops, you just put them here in the hinge holes. Now, you might be asking yourself, where did those doors come from? You still have the doors on those cabinets. Sure do. That's what I did. I painted the coffee bar. I wanted it to be cohesive. So remember, it was black. And so I painted it the white. So this is the Craftsman white from Chippy Barn paint. I've already painted the back side, and I still have to paint this side. This is just primed. So with these here, so yes, I did. I'm changing gears slightly with the design, but that's okay. It's my kitchen. I can do that if I want. Joe probably thinks I'm insane. That's a different story. But with this hook, you just put it right there in the hinge hole, and you can hang it to spray it. And this will swivel. So if you did not feel like it was really secure in the hole, I mean, it's pretty secure right now, enough for you to walk away and let it dry. You can put 2 if you want. I tested it. I already tested it, and it obviously it's working and holding on really well. But so this is the one style. The other style is the simplistic hook, and basically same thing. Here's the hinge hole, and you just hold it into the hole. Now, I don't have a lot of faith in this one here, but I mean, it's doing its job. It's working very well. It's kind of like a fish hook. I was afraid that it may not be sturdy enough of a wire, but it seems to be doing an okay job. These are obviously cheaper. So I have a lot of doors, and these were a little bit more expensive. I'll use these in the future, but with this many doors, I opted for both, and I'll just use this guy here for the opposite doors that I don't have these hooks on. So there you go. I'll let you know when we get to the spraying part how I feel about those, but right now, I mean, I can tell you that I like them, and they seem to be working really, really well. And these do too. I'm just afraid that they might swing off, but they only need to hold to spray and to dry. So. Okay, so I have written in here where this door goes. And I also did an up arrow so I know what is the top and what is the bottom. But I'm spraying these, so I'm also taping over that so it does not get covered up and I forget what goes where. So, just putting a little piece of tape right on top. There you go, to protect what I wrote, and then I know where this goes. So here are these little handles that I showed you earlier. You just stick it right in the hole just for extra convenience, and voila, ready to be sprayed. Now it's time for my favorite process, and that is paint. Paint can transform a space, and I won't lie to you guys, this has been, this kitchen makeover has been in progress for a while, and I have done it in steps. So obviously you're going to see my hair color change. You're going to see, the times change, and that's okay. If we did it, all in one swoop, it would be very taxing and tiring. So I am choosing to do this in stages. Now, the very first thing that I ever did in this kitchen was paint. Paint everything in Chantilly Lace by Benjamin Moore. I love this color. It's a neutral white. It's a bright white. So if you've ever heard of the term the light reflective value, it has a high value. So that means it reflects the light a lot. And I love a bright kitchen. I know that it is the thing to have these warm kitchens, and I just want a bright kitchen. I've always been attracted to the white, bright kitchens, and that's what I want in this space. So, if you're attracted to the warmer side, go for it. I really want the space to be nice and bright. And as you can see, the power of paint, how it transformed this space. Next week's video, guys, is all about uh, demoing the kitchen cabinets and cleaning out the space and the floor. We are getting a new floor in this area as well. So, guys, like the video, subscribe if you haven't already. Here's another video that you may enjoy watching. And guys, love you. See you in the next video. Bye.